Hello and welcome to What's on the Shelf. I'm your host Jen, and today we're continuing our playthrough of Little Witch in the Woods. This is a really cute pixelated indie game where we're essentially an apprentice witch trying to do our best gathering equipment, gathering spells, potions, candies to try and help the local village, as well as, finish our apprenticeship. So we're going to head straight on into it. Just give me one sec, I'm double checking one thing. We'll probably be playing for about an hour because I do have some other things to do today, unfortunately. But we should have a lot of fun doing it. So let's get down to it. I am trying the game with a different controller, so if it takes me a while to get used to the configurations, don't mind me. Here we go. Let's go. So we had saved just before we were going to bed. We don't have anything in our inventory. Ah, okay. There we go. Oh, we're dreaming about a kitty cat again. Ellie, it's time to get up. Where did you go, Virgil? It's just in your head. Why are you talking nonsense after a good night's rest? What? You weren't there. Stop sleep talking and wash your face first. What the? Was it just a dream? Okie dokie. Saved. Let's see what today's stuff is. Healing candies too, yes. I'm gonna check real quick about the witch's catalog. So nothing new there. I need to get some fluffers. Come here, fluffers. Squeeze! They're so cute. I got you. Get some of these. Fluffies. Get another one of these. Hello. Now, if I remember correctly, healing candy needed herbs. I've got plenty of that stuff. We're gonna go see what we've got over here. Oh, wow. Hey, you're not working. It's break time. Is it going well? Yeah, no big deal. Is there anything I can do to help? Let's see, alright, can you do me a favor? Rimrom borrowed my shovel and hasn't returned it to me yet. Since I think I have to use the shovel a little bit longer, would you meet Rimrom and get it for me? Accept. Bring it to me if you find it. Well, now we gotta find Rimrom. Let's see, what's the quest over here? Also healing candy. Okay. So we need to make 5 in total. Don't use the broom. We used to chat here. Come to think of it, I guess I don't say thank you properly. Thank you so much for helping Rob Rum. Don't mention it. I had enough thanks already, Ellie. It would have been really hard if you didn't come. Rum, me, and even this village. Thank you again. Now, where's the rascal? Hello, Ellie. I have something I want to show you. What is it? I made a huge castle. I'll show you, Ellie. Oh, that's right. Did you make it with Callie's shovel? Yeah, it was good for scooping a lot of sand since it was big. Now I have to run an errand for Grandma. What should I do? Where did you make it? I'll go get it on the way to see the castle. It's in the place with the well. Just leave the village and keep going straight. You can also play rock, paper, scissors on the stairs. You can pick apples too, since there are apple bushes around. It's my favorite playground. Okay. This is town, Virgil. But you have to go to Highland. What a shame. That was a bug. That was definitely a bug. Keep going straight. That doesn't make sense. Where did he hide the shovel? I don't think it's over here. Where'd you hide the silly thingy? I need these for the candies I need to make. Need more rocks. Fountain. Where would we find the fountain? Not entirely sure. No, we can't get mud. Trying to think of where the fountain would be. Okay, well, it's not this way. I don't think it would be around here. It's not here. Where in heavens is it? I need more of those anyways. But again, where would he have dropped it? We've got enough at this point. Maybe where we were originally. Like up here, maybe. No. It's gonna be one of these things where it's really hard to find, because I hope not. We did the whole tour here already. I didn't see a fountain. Oops, wrong button. Try in here, I guess. Very silly place for him to make his stuff here. No. Might have to go reread what he said. No. Where did the munchkin put the shovel? I think I'm gonna have to go talk to him again. Oh, there. This place where the stairs after you keep going straight out of the village. You can always play rock, paper, scissors on the stairs. You can pick apples. Yeah, I see that. Oh, here it is. I don't see the huge castle. I guess it collapsed. Reuben will be disappointed if he finds out. Should I tell him to make it by putting water next time? I mean, it's also easier to scoop up and collect water if you use the shovel. Let's take the shovel first. Okay, we found it in time. Back to town we go. He just likes making stuff there. The hard stuff always tastes great after a good sweat. I'm listening. Your shovel. Should I give the shovel back to Carly? Return it. I found it! You found it pretty quick. Did you meet Rubrum? Yes, I think he was playing in the sand with the shovel. He hasn't changed. He always loved playing in the sand. Thanks for finding the shovel. Now I can finish up the house. Is there anything else I can help with? Nothing in particular. Oh, do you have a favorite shape? A shape? Why? I'm contemplating the shape of the second floor terrace roof. Terrace door. Pick one for me. Rectangle, arch, triangle, heart. Arch. I think arch would be nice. An arch type goes well as I expect. You have a good eye. Okay, thanks for your help. Come take a look once it gets finished. Alright, I'm sure to come see it. Cool. So, time to make some candy. Since we have everything we need and it just needs to be delivered by tomorrow. Let's do this. There we go. Okay, so for the candy, stage 4, right. There we go. Yeah. Let's see. What does it take to get the potions up? 232 branches, 16 of the others. No, unfortunately I do not have enough. But we can start collecting that stuff. Will I make it back to town before she leaves? Is the question. I am not sure. We shall see. No, I got stuck. Aha! I made it in time. Oh, I made one too many. Let's see. Shop. Ooh, I can expand my bag. Yes. Mwahaha. More space in my bag, the better. Okay. So we finished our stuff for the day. We can start gathering some bushes, I guess. Because we need 36. I'll grab some apples. Eat some apples. What are you doing out so late, little guy? Time to gather some bushes. There we go. Get what we need to expand our cooking. Which is always good. Shall we catch some butterflies? Come on, keep going. So I didn't think they would come back so quickly. That's good to know. Yeah. Oh. Okay, so you just have to stop doing stuff when you run out of stamina. That makes sense. I think this is the first time I've actually ran out of stamina completely. That's okay. Down we go. Alright, so... Oops. Okay, so I have 20 of those. Can I still make stuff? Oh, I can. Well, I mean, at this point, there's no point in keeping the herbs. Should just make the components. Because that would make the most sense. It'll take up less space in the inventory, and then I just have to go and pick up the ingredients afterwards. That makes a lot more sense. Nope. It's done. Oh. Oh, you need 4 to make those. We're just having fun making components to make some lovely spells. Oh, let me go get the... Okay, put that in, 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 put that in. We'll get these, that can come out. That can come out, that can come out, that can come out, that can come out, that can come out. That can go in. Yeah. Let's make some eyes. There we go. Herbs are used quite a lot, so I only have enough for one. Do another 2 there. There we go. And one more. Anything else? Oops, make 2 at a time. Alright. I don't think there's anything else I could make. I could do the dried Megdrake root. You can go back. You can go back. You can come with me. Yes. Oh, you need 4 of them. Yeah, that's not gonna happen. How much was it for that other potion? The air musk potion. Frog. Okay, I could make that for tomorrow. I didn't see pom-pom. Let's keep going. There we go. Okay. Time for bed. Cancel. We're gonna save anyways in the morning. Time for some sleep. We're fully energized and saved. Riprom. Hey Ellie, you're here early. What's up? You're not hurt, are you? Nope, Grandma told me to come get you. They're finished building Kyla's house, so she wants everyone to come and celebrate. Alright, let's go now. Ooh, cutscene. No, yay! Welcome, Ellie dearie. Whoa, it really is done. Yup. Thanks to you, it came out quite nicely. If I may say so myself, it's amazing. I helped Kelly build her house too. The little tyke Rimrom sure did help, although his sandcastle skills could use some work. It fills me with joy to see Kylie back and her home restored Ellie, Callie, and Rimrom, you've combined efforts are what made this possible. It's such a joyous day, so I want to celebrate with everyone. Grandma gave us this too. We're all gonna pop it together. 1, 2, 3. Aw, so cute. Teehee. From the bottom of my heart, thank you, Ellie. I never thought this day would come. I can't recall the last time I've been this excited. I'm glad to see Kaylee too. Although anything you do is so cool. Everything you do is so cool, Ellie. He's so adorable. I want to punch his cheeks. I got your letter. It filled me with joy. If you need help restoring the village, just let me know. Thank you, Miss Witch. It was nothing. By the way, where's Arden? Uncle Arden couldn't come. He said he had to open up shop, but he told me to tell you that you did a good job. Aw, shucks. You're forever in our debt. We're forever in your debt, Ellie, dearie. Keep up the good work, Ellie. You got this. I'll try my best so that the other villagers can return. The house looks really amazing. Thanks. Feels like I'm back home, though I haven't even lived here for long. As long as you like it here, you can think of this as your home village. I do that if I'm born again. Also, check out the second floor terrace. I used the design you chose. After all, I think the overall harmony of the arc door is great. I'm glad you liked it. It's because you choose well. Thanks. That's because Kylie made it well. Let me know if you need any help. I'll be glad to help you. I can also expand this. Yes! Storage components, please. It's a pity that I have to send you back empty-handed, though. Oh, don't worry. It's something that I also wanted to do. What should I do? Oh, yeah. Have you been to Arden's restaurant? Arden's meat dumplings with a drink are awesome. Oh, I don't drink yet. Oh, Ellie said you look like... Oh, Ellie said she looks just like her age. I need to clean up my house and equipment for a few days. Could you come back in a day or two? I'll treat you to a pot of dumplings or something. A pot? How generous. This is simple for someone like me, Ellie. Although, who's the next villager? Only one has arrived so far. First time is always the hardest. It'll be quicker from now on. Should I start with the front? Maybe I should plan this out first. I'm trying to look elsewhere. The bridge is like this? I mean, it's better to do what's in front of me rather than trying to fix the bridge. Correct. Good. The next village lives just below Kylie's house. First, let's go talk to Auntie. I also want to check what you want today. Cough candy by tomorrow. I don't think I have cough candy. Oh, I do. I can do that. I should have all the ingredients. Not the broom. Oh, I'm looking to bring back the person that used to live here. Now, I'm going to bring back the person who used to... I'm trying to talk to Auntie. Auntie, whose house is the one below Kylie? Kylie just arrived. She's very diligent. Seeing that Kylie likes it, I want to make sure the other villagers return soon. Yes, I understand. The house below Kylie's is Roy's. Roy! He's a very kind and uptight young man that runs a flower shop. A flower shop, but... must be pretty. He was a very diligent and kind young man. He also took care of the flowers in the village. When Roy left the village, flowers in the village started to wilt. The town will become prettier once Roy returns. That's right. Oh, also, the bridge seems to be destroyed. Is there a village past the bridge? Yes. There are people living beyond the bridge. The prickly vine destroyed the houses and the bridge as well. Once Roy comes back, we'll fix the bridge first. I agree. I'll write a letter to Roy. Ellie, I want you to go to Kylie and help build Roy's house. I can't possibly have him stay at someone else's house when you return. Understood, I'll talk to Kylie. I'll leave it to you. Which probably also means we will need to... Yes, I've tried it. How was it? It was terrible. Ask him to remove the pepper next time. Arden wouldn't like it, but quite a wonderful soup will come out. Wow, really? I'll definitely try it out. Shop. No blueprints yet. Okay, I need to make... Whoop. I need to make cough medicine. Kylie's in her house, I think. Oh, I can't go in. Okay, I guess I'll have to wait for Kylie. In the meantime, cough medicine ahoy! Where are those? Ah. Come back here. Got it. They're a pain, those ones. Kylie, do you have a moment? No, I'm busy. Oh, then I'll come back later. Hey, I was just kidding. What's going on? I'm sorry to ask this for you as soon as you just... words hard. I'm sorry to ask this of you as soon as you're back, but I wanted to have the other villagers return like you did. I was hoping you could build the houses for the other villagers. Ah, I was wondering when you were going to say that. Of course I'll help. I was just going to ask you the same thing. Is there something I can help you with when you build the house? In order to build, I need a house blueprint and foundation materials. Talk to Aurora for the blueprints. She can sell them to you. Foundation materials are usually found in the forest. Yes. You can deliver a little at a time, so just let me know when you are ringing. Okay. Is Roy the next lucky villager? How did you know? The only one still left is in the area is Roy's house. You know Roy? I knew because he lived in the same village. Haha. What kind of person is Roy? He was a good-looking, kind friend. I bet lurking in terms of bronze. A bit lacking in terms of bronze. And, think back. I guess I didn't get to talk to Roy much. Haha. If you're curious, ask around. Okay. No. No. Come back here. Got it. I also need to shake some trees up. I know there's another one of those guys around. I just gotta find him. Come on. Come on, come on. There we go. All right. Come back here. Oh, your pain. Come here. Got it. I wish I had shears or something I could shear it with. Come back. Not what I wanted to do. Come here. No! Stop running away. Give me the thingy I need. Got it. Haha. Okay. Hello. It's my first time hearing of it. Okay. What's your thing? Healing candy? No problem. We got this. So cough candy, we need dried pumpkin stuff, which I just got enough for. And then what was the other one? Slime bubble extract, which I have. I already have one of those, so I just need the leftovers. I just need one. That's done. And then I need slime extract. Okay. So cough needs to be stage 2, right, pumpkin, and that. There we go. Oh, what did I do wrong? Stage 2, right, pumpkin slime. Pumpkin, slime, right, stage 2. Cool. Healing. That one. Right, stir. There we go. There you go for your special delivery. Shop. I got 84. I need to make it to 200 to upgrade my house, my cauldron more. Let's go, run. Yes, I'm going to deliver the cough stuff. And I'm going to talk to everyone else about Roy. Aura, do you have the house blueprints? Yes, of course I do. Is it for the other villager's house? Yes, that's right. Which village is moving back this time? The villager named Roy. Roy, oh, the owner of the flower shop. I happen to have the flower shop blueprints too. I'll put it up on the shop. Thank you. $200 gold. Oh, the owner of the flower shop, right? I know. He used to buy seeds and seedlings. He even took orders to make flower bouquets. He was pretty good. He wasn't a master craftsman, but he had good hands. Above all else, he was a pleasant young man because he was thorough in keeping his promise. Okay, bye. How much are blueprints? 500! Ugh! Ouch. Okay, we're gonna have to do some more quests. Let's go talk to other people about Roy. Deliver the flower shop materials to Kyla. I don't even know what materials they need. Good morning. Roy's kind and diligent. No one asked him to take care of the flowers, but he did it anyways. As a result, the village looked a lot better when Roy was here. There wasn't any weeds either. What's this place? A temple of cats. Based on the sign, there should have been a road. Maybe it's the angry god. Yeah, I can't go that way right now. Should I plan to get mandrake root? What was it that I needed for the earmuffs? Yeah, I have those. go harvest some mandrake root at the same time as getting mud and more trees. Do 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 do. All right. What was the last thing I needed? Wetland. Alright, so frog, wetland, blue moon. No, not slime, blue moon. Blue moon, okay. Whoops, I forgot what the temperature in that was. Stage 1 left. Stage 1 left. Alright, we've got 2 of those potions. We can drop the rest of our ingredients back. A black acorn with white straps, if in white line of ribbon, it's used as a rare ingredient. I'm going to put this in here for now. And I'm hungry, so eat that up. Let's go. Let's go get us some mandrake. There we go. And some trees. Let's go get the mandrake. Get some of these too. Okay, so aha. I'm surprised I can still hear the other things. What was that? All right. Yeah, we're not after you. We're after mandrakes right now. Mandrakes. How many you get? 5. I don't have any more. That's okay. Oh, I got another rare gift. Nice. Do I need more spiders? Yeah. Might as well get more spiders. Oops. Just getting a bunch of ingredients here. Go rub bellies. No, no, no. I got you. They're adorable. There we go. Should put more frogs. I think so. I need more wetland stuff too. Oops. Nope. Gotcha. Oops, wrong thing. There we go. I'm curious. I should have enough. I missed him. It's okay, it's starting to get late, and I'm going to have to call it there. So we're gonna head back home and save for the day. Oh, come back! Oh, I missed it. How many? I've got... I missed it. Oops. Shake some more trees. There we go. Mwahaha. There we go. I think that's the rest of my stamina for the night. So time to head home. Sticks we got enough of. Mandrake we can now do some stuff with. We're gonna take those. We're gonna put you over there. We're gonna eat you. Did I have another bubble? I did. Bubble. Another one of you. I didn't drop my mud. I'm missing 1 mud and 3 stones for my new upgrade. And I got spider. Oop. Was there more spiders? No. Okay. Start with the spider cooking. We've got time to cook this evening. Make sure we have all our ingredients. Got some more butterflies in the sky. Oh. So many of these. Oh, there we go. Only have enough for one. Cook the mandrake. It'll be better off that way. Mwah. Oh, and that's cool. It tells you when it's done. $18 seconds. Big spider. Okay, so we should have enough. Yeah, missing 2 rocks and 1 thingy. So we're gonna save for now, and we'll catch you guys maybe later today, maybe tomorrow. I'm not sure right now. I'm still trying to figure out the rest of my day. So we're gonna save here, and we'll catch you later. Have a good day, guys. Bye.